All right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. A little bored tonight because I got done with everything I need to get done a little bit earlier. So we are gonna be popping out to a little late night car meet. It's been a minute since I've actually popped out to a late night car meet that wasn't a Mexico meet. So let's get this start up. Not a cold start. I don't think I need to get E85 in all reality. I don't know. I might not need to get E85. Popping out is so I can get some more braking miles done on this clutch. I'm at like what, 565? Bet. Oh shit, there we go. Y'all didn't see that. All right, so I think I'm actually going to go ahead and get E85 because it is on the way. I have like 91 to E. I don't know, actually. That might be good. Yeah, what the hell? I'm gonna get some E85. Hope this little late night car meet is pretty legit. If not, all good. Good excuse to get some braking miles done. I haven't been to this location in a while, and also I've not gone to a meet hosted by these individuals for a while. I think it's honestly been like 2 years. Pushing 2 years. I know it's been at least a year, so hopefully it's good. Hopefully it's not a takeover. I pray it's not a takeover. Oh man, I pray it's not a takeover. You can miss me with that. Probably really not 85, probably like high 70, but Jesus, it's pushing November and it's still hot. Where's the boost weather at? I gotta be careful what I wish for because we're gonna get that cold front, I know, in like January, and it's gonna be like 20 degrees and I'm gonna be like, man, where's the 100+ degree days at? Oh, we got a cop right there. See if he's on some BS today. Alright, so I did actually pump a little bit of E just in case. Gotta get this car detailed this weekend. Actually, you know what? I might hold off on that. We might get some rain, so there's no point. Well, actually, you know what? there is a point. I just want to take it out, but we'll see. Oh my gosh. We need to do about like 150 more braking miles and we good. You can tell we've been getting active. These tires, I mean, surprisingly, these tires really are still decent. Probably put like 10K miles on those tires too. Whew. See what we can get into tonight.
A few moments later.
Look what we got here, y'all. Oh, yep.
Should I go up on E?
Huh?
Should I go up on E?
Might as well just go over there.
I'm saying, like, is there gonna be shit going down?
Probably. I mean, tomorrow maybe.
I'll just wait. I need gas for it.
All right.
Let's follow you.
All right. Ooh, shit. A lot of cars pulling up. Not necessarily pulling up, but people starting to get crazy. Am I gonna follow you? Alright. Alright.
Sync has connected your phone and is reminding you.
You want me to just follow you? Alright. Bet. Back go to this little spot. Shit, this is the first time both of us been out in a couple weeks, honestly. Feels like a month, honestly. Actually, it might be a month. That might actually be a month since the last time we popped out to a late night car meet.
One eternity later.
Alright, let's do this right this time. They got the whole entrance fucking blocked off and shit. This whole situation here kind of threw me off. I'm like, how the hell am I supposed to get in here? Been to one of these meets in a minute, y'all. Yeah, it's pretty sick. My bad. Try to get the hell out of here. Yo!
Where'd you get in at?
Let's park over there, bro. They were blocking it.
Oh, I didn't see you. I was gonna try to hold traffic, but they just kept coming.
there for real. Ooh, that's some GDM right here. I actually like that a lot. Damn, I wish I could have got my car in here. Oh well. The Z06 is clean. I like that.
Yeah, this thing's tough.
It's tough. Do you like the C6 Z06? Oh, she doesn't like it.
I don't like that color. That
Oh my. What?
I think the color's tough.
This color's tough. What do you mean it's ugly? That's a great color.
I'll catch you tomorrow.
Alright, bro. Take it easy. Let me know what y'all thought of that meet. A little late night joint. Get out the house, do some braking miles. That's what matters, for real. This literally is like on my old side of town too, so it's always interesting coming back out here. Man, yeah, my car, I need to get this car detailed. It is dirty as hell, ladies and gentlemen. All right, it's the next day. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I just decided to call it a night after that, man. It just kind of turned into a rev off. People are doing pulls down the road. You know how that turns out. So if you guys want to stay up to date with the content on the channel, still doing some more braking miles on the Shelby GT350, feel free, drop a like in the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.